Okay, so we're just heading down to Carmel Falls. Been here before. We're back again. Back with another video. As you can see, this is a funky trail. You have to be careful coming down. But there's two falls here, isn't it? You have the bottom piece. That's the one we didn't go to last time. Yeah. We didn't go to the bottom one. Yeah. But we will do it. It has to be done. Alright, boss.
Have a good day.
Alright.
Oh, yes.
How are we going to cross river? Well, I'm just going to have to break out my powers. Part the waters. That's the way. Carol, did you go tubing? Did you go tubing?
No.
Yeah. Oh yeah, never seen that. Okay. There's a little bridge. I wonder if there's a bridge troll underneath. Do we have to pay a troll?
You turn man Carmel Gap?
This is not Carmel.
You turn into man Carmel Gap?
I don't know the name of it.
The thing to turn wrong to come down? So that's when you turn? I don't know, it's slippery.
It was stupid. Okay.
No, but still that's not the one for...
She was confused when she opened her eyes.
Yeah.
Oh, I remember this bit. I remember this bit.
Now you take your 2 bars to hill. Yeah.
That's where Yolanda had to help me up.
So this is what I'm saying.
The straight was the other way. Who was wearing what shoes?
Oh, that's right. She was wearing the... Yeah, and I got up there easy. Yeah, that's it.
Climbing up or climbing down.
I don't know. Oh.
Must be horrible. Pick up this tracks. I'll pick up people to climb down. Because it's flatter down at the bottom.
No, I think I'm supposed to go up. Well, I think I'm supposed to go up.
I don't know what that. Everything was flatter.
This is nothing to Rachel, isn't it? This is nothing to you,
I can't
isn't
do
it?
this over there.
It's like Iron Man. Oh boy. I'm pooped.
No, not yet. Oh. No, I was just saying this is that water was upstairs. Almost saying it's nothing to me.
It isn't. And you know it.
That's what it is. That's why you can have to really go out and get that.
It's a bit cooler in here. Like this bit. So there's the bottom one. In here now. Is that a Tarzan swing?
The one that's up near Brent Pan is like this, going down.
Oh, did we come this way as well?
Huh?
Did we come this way?
Yeah.
That's, wow. Did I slide down here? Oh, so you're in front.
I'm not even stepping on the stone. I'm going in more myself.
Oh, so load me down.
No, I'm gonna come back to it. I just thought I don't want to step in the stone. Come home, man.
Can you hop across? How come this is easier for me?
I don't like things like this. I get all dizzy.
What kind of stone? You pick up fall on the stone.
You make it look so easy. It is.
It is. That's why you should live in the river. It's up here. You go in there.
Oh, couldn't you have gone up that way?
You can do.
You could have, yeah. Right, since I'm here, might as well do like the natives. Ah, cheers, Rach. Let's place to grab one.
You might have to take that.
Take that.
As the water that goes down to, when you pass on to the river washing, now then the river goes. No, that another one.
That's way past that. Yeah.
Hold on, let me get my bearings.
This is a basin. That's just a round basin.
That's right. Mama can. Okay.
Right, I need to. Rachel. Let's hold this one. official photographer is not here.
You have to take them.
That's all, you know.
Your phone taking some pretty picture. Hey, what the hell?
You missed that.
Are you gonna slide down?
What makes you feel? Memories. You know, one pictures later. Wait.
You're gonna slide down. Carol, you have to wait.
You got it?
Country boy.
Run! You think you can see one in there?
Just as I put it down. Just as I put the camera down.
You missed it.
Yeah.
What's possible? You take it?
Yeah, we would have filmed it. But we want a picture. No, it's alright, let him do his thing. I'll catch him next time.
Look at the left there, some plants. Did that go down?
Wasn't as good as the last one.
I know it. Fun there more.
Make out.
Oh no, come on with daddy.
Scrape.
Don't cross that. You tried to stand up.
Fish is laughing at you.
Very deep.
He's gone over the side. Next thing you know, he jumped from here somewhere.
No, exactly. But you jump from a branch. That was good.
In a different.
I'm going to head out. I'm going to go on under the other one. Because I know the other one.
Let me dip my foot in. Let me get some cool water on my foot. Watch it out.
That's the thing about
Get the falls.
yeah. That's better. Here's the boys.
So used to being on the other side.
That's it. Cowan, come on, take a picture here. Come on, get a picture here.
No.
What you fixing? What you watching?
Huh?
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my
10, 20. Wow! Good.